Hey there, beauty lovers! Today, I'm super excited to show you how to make your very own lip gloss at home. This is so much fun, and you can totally customize it with your favorite colors, scents, and ingredients. Ready? Let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets. This helps solidify your gloss. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for that lovely moisture and shine. 1 tablespoon of shea butter or cocoa butter for extra moisture and a smooth texture. Optional, 1 teaspoon of castor oil for a glossy finish. Optional, a small piece of lipstick if you want some color. Optional, a few drops of essential oil like peppermint, vanilla, or lavender for scent. And of course, small lip gloss containers or tubes to store your gloss. Got everything? Awesome! Let's get started. Step 1. Melt the ingredients. In a double boiler or a heat-safe bowl placed over a pot of simmering water, melt the beeswax, coconut oil, and shea or cocoa butter together. Stir occasionally until everything is melted and smooth. Next, it's time to add color and scent. If you want your gloss to have some color, add a small piece of lipstick or a pinch of lip-safe pigment to the melted mixture. Stir until it's fully dissolved. Then add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for fragrance. Stir well to mix everything together. For that extra glossy finish, you can stir in a teaspoon of castor oil. Now carefully pour the mixture into your lip gloss containers or tubes after cooling it down. Be careful, it's hot. You can let it cool down and solidify at room temperature or pop it in the fridge to speed things up. And there you have it. Your very own homemade customized lip gloss. Once it's fully set, it's ready to use. Just apply with your finger or a lip brush and enjoy that fabulous shine. A quick tip for storage: keep your lip gloss in a cool, dry place. It should last for several months. This recipe is super easy to tweak, so feel free to experiment with different colors, scents, and even add a bit of glitter for some sparkle. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite lip gloss ingredients.